Placing the engine air filter in a 2014 through 2019 Silverado 1500 with a 5.3 liter V8. First, disconnect the MAF harness by pulling up on the red lever and then depress the secondary connector. Use a 5/16 hex driver to undo the 4 screws holding the filter box on. Use care not to strip the bottom right one and take your time as it's between a radiator hose and an AC line. Use that same 5/16 hex driver to loosen the hose clamp on the flexible air duct. With the duct clear from its collar, the last thing to do is to remove the MAF harness grommet that's on the top right corner of the filter housing using a flathead screwdriver and prying up and then pulling. The harness can then be temporarily routed around the coolant lines and tucked on top of the reservoir. My truck is a Z71, so it has the high capacity air filter with more pleats than the standard air filter. Even if you don't have a Z71, I would recommend getting this part as it has better filtration than the standard air filter and is still compatible with the non-Z71 trucks. I'll put the part number of what I use below, and I got mine from Rock Auto for $10. At this time, might as well clean up the bottom of the filter housing using a shop vac. Place the new filter in and make sure it's seated well against the bottom of the housing. Reverse the process by slipping the flexible duct back onto the collar of the top of the filter housing. Make sure it isn't rolled or pinched and then retighten it using the hex driver. Put the 4 screws back into the top of the filter housing and secure until snug. Once again, the bottom right is the most challenging, and I had to get an extension so I could tighten it without stripping the top. Don't forget to reconnect the MAF harness by clicking it into place and pushing down on the red switch. If you found this video informative, please consider subscribing to the channel. Last but not least, don't forget to record your maintenance in the owner's manual so you can tell Facebook Marketplace how meticulously maintained your truck is.